While rich countries are washing their hands of their role in causing climate change, poor nations are realizing that action is possible and urgent at home. The Depensa campaign grew out of one such belief. Poor countries who are projected to be hit the hardest must start preparing for the changing climate. Last year, Depensa assembled local government and women and men farmer leaders in Surigao and Nueva Ecija. And they all agreed, we need to build our defense against climate change. Building our defense against climate change comes in many forms. Passing the People's Survival Fund, a landmark bill, is one of them. The Depensa campaign is here at the House of Representatives to urge lawmakers to pass the PSF.
Bilang kabuhayan ng mga vulnerable sectors ang apektado ng climate change. Lahat tayo ay apektado. Malaki ang halagang nawawala sa ating ekonomiya, lalo na sa mga komunidad na tinatawag po natin vulnerable.
Well, if the PSF is available to especially communities that are in need of immediate funds for them to build an adaptation measure, that will really be a big help. Especially poor communities are very vulnerable to the impacts of climate change because they don't have any resources. And if this fund is available prior to the coming of a big disaster, at least they'll be able to ready themselves or to be able to prepare themselves for possible impact.
Tinatagyan po namin ang hamon at tutuling na ipasa ang mahalagang panukalang batas na inyong hinahin sa Kongreso, ang People's Survival Fund o House Bill 3528. Kami po ay naniniwala na mas mura ang maglaan ng pondo upang maging tayong handa kesa masalanta ang buhay dulot sa climate change.
Farmers know how losing their crops means being buried in more debt.
Nakakatulong ang PSF sa pangkaraniwang magsasaka dahil mga provision nito ay siyang magbibigay ng mga programa sakaling ang mga pananim ng mga magsasaka ay masisira na dahilan ng climate change.
Ang mga kababayan sa kanayunan ay naaapektuhan ng pagbabago-bago ng panahon. Dapat meron silang angklahan para nang sa ganon kung dumating man ito at sila'y maapektuhan, sila ay merong matatakbuhan ng kanilang maibangon ang kanilang dignidad bilang mga kababayan sa kanayunan.
It is for these farmers that the People's Survival Fund matters the most. Passing this bill means that their livelihoods are protected from the whims of a changing climate.
The People's Survival Fund seeks to directly support the adaptation action plans of local government units and communities. The People's Survival Fund is to act as a reward fund dedicated to finance local government and community adaptation action plans.
Let's pressure our lawmakers to pass this important bill. Visit www.ejeepney.org or www.tiktokpilipinas.com and know how you can help.